go a bit further up Everton Valley and then...
oh, left way on.
That's correct, yeah.
With this clip, I'd like you to notice obviously this road to the left is closed. And as we get further up, there's a no left turn sign just before this next set of lights. But count how many cars turn.
How many lanes of lights or cars are at the lights?
Currently I can only see one, but there might be one to the left.
I think there's two, to be honest. Right? I just saw a couple up where that black and the red car is and stuff on the roof. Just saw two up there. I think the cones are finished. Have a look at the black car. The black car's gone into lane 2. See where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
Okay, off we go then. So just because that last road's closed, does that give the few cars the right to then do the left turn here where it says no left turn?
No.
No, it doesn't.
So you keep going straight then?
Keep going straight, correct.
Oh, it is a bit weird that when you're turning off.
And what will go on there as well is that when it says no left turn, there will be pedestrians being allowed to cross that section of road.
Yeah, because they're not meant to, yeah.
So therefore, if a car from this side does a left turn, you've got a risk of hitting pedestrians.
Yeah.
So just because the road's closed doesn't mean you can then go off and break another rule further down here. Like, does that all make sense?
Yeah.
Good.